Nice work, kid. Only a few days left of your shift. Maybe if you're super good, I'll let you mess around in my office, try out some of Weaselworth's features. Though it's not that exciting, you might be able to control the gang and see what they can do. I don't know, maybe not. We'll see. I'm wondering, since I can't remember how much I've taught you up to this point, do you know about Freddy Fazbear's Pizza? I think these calls might be getting to my head, but I don't know. I've been thinking of that place a lot in the last hour or so. Not in a disturbing or scary sense, just... I'm not sure, it's like some pieces are being put together. Freddy Fazbear. You know they used to say those characters were haunted? There were some murders related to the location back in the 80s. People found some corpses buried in the animatronic suits. Really sad. I was a fan of that franchise, named my kid after one of the characters there. Not because I was a fan, really, but because I wanted to love that name again. After, you know, it doesn't matter. I was a fan of the restaurant, and it hurt to see it fall so morbidly, that's all. I wonder sometimes if there was some kind of moral reasoning behind whoever killed those kids. I have my own suspicions, there's hundreds of other people, you know? You should see what these people put online. There's a popular theory going around that the guy who did it had purple skin. Totally purple skin and purple clothes. Sounds like a demon or something, right? Something paranormal. I don't know. But around that time was when I got help from someone in the hospital. We, don't know where the blood came from. So, what if it was him? Oh God, this is ridiculous. I'm sorry. It's times like these when the nightmares sometimes visit me during the day. Ask me a question then. It might calm me down. People online, well, the whole series of events has become a big topic of discussion for people interested in that kind of thing. Real life mysteries and stuff. The murders at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza was such a diverse and confusing situation at the time that people are still finding clues and making stories about it to this day. Hell, even an amusement park attraction was centered around it. The main theory surrounding this guy was that he was a mental patient on the loose, stabbed kids with a cake knife or something. It technically can make sense, but it's pretty boring. I love a good horror story, and that's not how you tell them, you know what I mean? They found something like 20 kids stuffed into suits over the span of the company's run, which is crazy. One is crazy, I know, but 20 is just... Why? There has to be a reason for that, more than he was a mental patient. Also, yeah, they thought it was purple. Someone found a drawing that a child had done while at one of the pizzerias, which showed a purple figure in the background. I'm pretty sure that was the only evidence for that, but it's enough for me. And, you know, the rest of the theorists. I really don't delve too deep into this kind of thing. Okay, well, that's it for today. See you again tomorrow.